video on opinions about Petco and PetSmart. Now, they both come from the same supplier, so their guinea pigs are basically the same. We have noticed that PetSmart has slightly healthier guinea pigs, but these two guinea pigs we never knew. They came from Petco, and I'm thinking that they were about to put this one up for like adoption or just let it go because she was almost a year old and she still hadn't been adopted from Petco or bought from Petco, as we say. And she's big. I mean, she's a big guinea pig. She's at least like a foot long. And we got them for our birthdays. This is for my birthday this year, and this was for my brother's birthday like 2 years ago. And we're about to adopt a new guinea pig that's 2 years old. And it's a little bigger than Tori. Tori, come here. Eat your lettuce. And this is just to say that Petco treats their animals really cruelly. Like if you watch like where their suppliers come from, they just leave guinea pigs unattended.
And they let their children breed with their...
Yeah, and they like inbreed, and that makes them really sick. So, and like they don't work on the weekends, so the guinea pigs go 2 days without food or water on the weekends. They just have whatever is left in their bottles because they just work 5 days a week, and they work 9 to 5 at night, so a regular work day. And these are really supposed to be pets like that are taken care of 24/7. They're very cute, but this guinea pig, she has a leg problem that makes her legs really fragile. And Sweetie passed away because both of her legs broke, and they're sisters. So that means most likely her legs have a problem too. So we have to be really gentle with this guinea pig until it gets way older. And JoJo here, she's not part of their family. She's about 2 years older than this one, and we have them. But don't buy guinea pigs from Petco or PetSmart, because adopting's way better, because they're very high maintenance, and people who can't take care of them just put them on Craigslist for like free, or like something cheap like $100 for 2 of them in their cage and stuff. So definitely adopt, because whenever you buy a guinea pig from Petco, they're like, oh, guinea pigs are selling really well, let's buy twice as many. And then that kills, if you don't want another one, that basically kills 2 other guinea pigs. So would you rather have 1 guinea pig die or 2 guinea pigs die? And we didn't know this at the time when we adopted them. We adopted this one because she was going to get put to sleep. So we're like, just let go, because no one wanted to take care of it. So we bought it. We bought JoJo here, and she's just the best guinea pig you'll ever see. She's a little feisty, and I like that about JoJo. And this here, Tori, we didn't know when we got her. I just learned this for a week. But they're eating their lettuce here, and they're very happy. So bye, guys. That's all I had to say. See you next time.